professional athlete in the world today. Look at him.
And the greatest charisma that I've ever seen any professional athlete in the world today possess. He is the best now, and he's the best we've ever had. All those old timers who were the heavyweight champions of the world, they pale into insignificance compared to Hulk Hogan.
Tremendous individual, tremendous, and earned the respect of everyone, except just the body.
Yes. Oh, just listen to this noise here. My word, what a reception.
Macho Man complaining about a lot of things.